Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Ooh, as y'all can see, I'm doing a review of Cocoa Hair from Amazon. I did receive the weaving cap and the powder puffs, but neither of them I used in the video. I will say up front, this is a great wig for cosplay, and with Halloween right around the corner, if you want to be Poison Ivy, baby, go ahead, you can do it, right? Now, the wig is about 27 inches long. It does not shed. I have not seen any shedding thus far. It does not tangle as far as I can see. I wouldn't put any heat on the hair at all. And it is that silky texture. So if you're looking for something, that you can just throw on for Halloween and just go, this would be the perfect hair for you. Now, I know most of my viewers may be used to seeing maybe lace fronts or a closure wig, and this one is not that. However, you can still finagle it by just throwing on a little hat, you know what I'm saying, and going about your business, because who's gonna know? Who's gonna take off your hat? I hope you won't in public or whatever the case. And this is the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to the side so you can get a little side action. The color is bomb.com. Like, I love it on my skin. I love it with my makeup, which is the Candid Ladies Cosmetics new festival palette, by the way. So if you ain't copied yet, make sure you go get it. All right, y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Bye.